Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the binary and ideal solution and what is the solubility of liquid in a liquid. So first of all, two or more liquids are mixed together to prepare a partial solution. Then there are two terms. First is binary solution. As its name suggests, bi. Bi means it is made up of two. A solution of two substances without precipitation is called binary solution. It means the solution should be stable. The solution does not form any kind of precipitation after adding these two solvents. For example, when alcohol is added to water, then it forms a hydroalcoholic solution. When volatile oil is mixed with water, it forms aromatic water. When volatile oil is mixed with alcohol, it forms elixir or spirit. Elixir and spirit are of some kind of formulation. Types of solubility. Based on type of solubility, these two solutions can be completely miscible to each other or partially miscible to each other. Completely miscible means when two liquids are mixed together and they remain uniformly mixed throughout, they are called completely miscible solution. Partially miscible means these solutions are mixed to some extent, but there are chances that they will get separated upon standing. These are called partially miscible solution. Partial miscibility of a solution depends upon temperature. In case of phenol water system, the solubility of these solution increases with increase in temperature. The solubility is dependent on dielectric constant also. So first of all, what is the difference between miscible solution and partially miscible solution? In case of completely miscible solution, they will not separate out from each other upon standing. They are miscible to a higher extent. But in case of partial miscible solution, they are miscible to a little extent, and upon standing there is a high chances that they will get separate out. So on the basis of stability, completely miscible solution gives higher stability and partially miscible solution gives lesser stability. For example, in case of phenol water system, that is an example of partial miscible solution because phenol and waters are miscible to each other to a very lesser extent. And when we increase the temperature also, then there is chances that the separation of phenol and water from each other is high in a very little time. They will get separated from each other in a very short duration of time. Second is how to improve solubility of partial miscible solution. As we know, there is a error or there is a disadvantage of partial miscible solution, but there must be some method to increase its solubility. First one is addition of a third substance can increase the solubility of partial miscible solution. If we add a third component in that particular mixture, it will increase the solubility or it will increase the miscibility between these two solvents. If the added component is solute in one of the component, and if its solubility is different in these two components, for example, we are taking two solvent initially A and B, and in these two solvents we are adding a third component that is C. For example, A and B we have taken initially and they have formed some kind of solution, and this is partial miscible. If we are going to add a third substance that is C, so the solubility of that substance may be 10 in A and 15 in B. It means there is difference between the solubility of C with A and B. Its solubility is higher in B and it is lesser in A. If the added component is solute and soluble in one of the two component and there is difference in the solubility of third component, then this third component will not increase the solubility problem, but it will decrease the solubility. So for increasing the solubility, we have to choose a component that have same extent of solubility in both the component. It means the C have the same parameter of solubility in both A and B. It should show the same 15-15 solubility in both A and B. For example, succinic acid increase the solubility of phenol and water because succinic acid is soluble in both phenol and water to the same extent. Second type of solution is ideal solution. An ideal solution is one in which there is no changes in the property of the component when they are mixed to form a solution. No heat is absorbed or evolved during the solution process. In another way, it can be stated that solution which shows no shrinkage or expansion when components are mixed. Ideal solutions are formed by mixing different substances which are having similar property and therefore there is complete uniformity in intramolecular forces. For example, when equal amount of methanol and ethanol are mixed together, the final volume of the solution is the sum of volume of methanol and ethanol. For example, we are taking 40 gram of methanol and 50 gram of ethanol, then the final product should contain 90 gram or 90 ml. There should not be loss or gain of any kind of volume. The ideal solution, there is no attractive or repulsive force. The solubility depends upon temperature, melting point of solute and molar heat of fusion. This was whole about the ideal solution and the binary solution. Both solution means they are made up of by mixing more than one component, but in case of binary solution there are some disadvantage of solubility, because if it is completely miscible it's good, but if it is partially miscible then we have to add some kind of component to increase its solubility. But in case of ideal solution, it is completely ideal. It means it has various advantages over other type of system. Thanks for watching this video.